Let me tell you something important. Money is not all about luck. It's not all about where you come from. And it's definitely not all about how much you make today. Money is all about discipline. Discipline is doing what most people won't do today so you can live how most people can't tomorrow. It is choosing progress over comfort, and it's choosing learning over laziness, and it's choosing patience in a world that wants everything instantly. Most people want financial freedom, but very few are willing to practice the habits that create it. They want the results without the routine. They want the success without the sacrifice. But real wealth is built quietly, consistently, and over time. Discipline means saving even when the amount feels small, because small savings are not useless. They are the foundation of big opportunities. Every dollar you save is a vote for your future. Every smart decision is a brick in the life you are building. Discipline also means controlling your spending, not because you can't enjoy your life because other people are enjoying theirs, but because you understand the difference between temporary pleasure and long-term peace. You don't need to buy things to impress people who won't pay your bills. You invest in knowledge, skills, and assets that will pay you back. Let me be clear with you. You don't need to be perfect with money. You just need to be consistent. Consistency beats intensity every time. Reading a little about finance every day is better than reading nothing for years. Saving a little amount of money every month is better than waiting for an opportunity that may not even come. Wealth is built step by step, not overnight. And that thing discipline teaches is patience. It's too early. Money grows slowly at first. That is why most people quit too early. They don't see immediate results, so they assume it is not working. But just like planting a seed, nothing just happens on the surface before it happens underneath. While others are spending, you are preparing. While others are complaining, you are busy learning. While others are waiting, you are moving. And one day, your result will speak for you. Remember this, your income may come from your job, but your wealth comes from your habit. Your future is shaped by the decision you make when no one is watching. But you have to ask yourself this: am I managing my money, or is my money managing me? Am I building for today, or am I preparing for tomorrow? These are important questions you need to ask yourself. You don't need to compare your journey to everyone else. Everyone starts at a different place. The most important thing is that you should start now.